Blade on the 991 McHale wrapper has gone blunt, see there. So how to change it now? There's two 10mm bolts there, and all blade is a standard Stanley blade. Compare them. Right, back and that clamp off and your Stanley blade pops out, and just stick a new one in. Really, these blades do get blunt from work, but as here was rusted either side, so that's taken away the edge as well. But they're cheap enough and they last a few years. Maybe this was put in like 4 or 5 years ago, so isn't bad really.